Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. You run an assessment cycle for cost centers. But no postings are made because the posting period is not open. Against which period interval is the check being made? Option A. First interval 3. Then intervals 1 and 2 if interval 3 is not maintained. Option B. First interval 3. Then interval 2 if interval 3 is not maintained. Option C. Only interval 3. No other intervals checked if interval 3 is not maintained. Option D. First interval 3. Then interval 1 if interval 3 is not maintained. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. First interval 3. Then intervals 1 and 2 if interval 3 is not maintained. Question 2. How many digits for the amount field on the financial document line item level are supported in the Universal Journal? Option A. 13. Option B. 17. Option C. 21. Option D. 23. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. 23. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.